Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Motorola Moto G Stylus 2020 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back card on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic upright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, hold the fingerprint button and pull out the back cover from the body. Next, undo 9 screws to take out the logic board frame with the lens. Next, disconnect the battery plug by raising the fingerprint button. Next, apply heat to pull out the not working battery from the body. Next, gently cut the adhesive under the battery using a pry tool. If needed, can add some isopropyl alcohol to soften the adhesive under the battery. Next, gently pull out the battery from the body. Next, place the new battery with adhesive. Next, secure the tape and battery connector. Next, secure the logic board frame by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie the rear car with the body. If not, use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.